Today, I'll show you how to post on Basecamp. Whether you're new to Basecamp or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that you can confidently share updates and information with your team. Basecamp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams collaborate efficiently, and mastering how to post messages is a fundamental skill to communicate effectively within your projects. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your account. Basecamp is accessible from any modern browser, so you can perform these steps whether you're on your computer, tablet, or even a smartphone. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Basecamp dashboard, which displays all the projects you're currently involved in. Take a moment to identify the project where you want to post your message. Projects are usually listed in a straightforward manner, so finding the right one should be easy. Click on the project name to enter its workspace. Inside your chosen project, you'll see a variety of tools and options presented to help manage different aspects of the project. Look for the message board option. The message board is where all the discussions and updates happen, making it a crucial place to post important information. Click on Message Board to proceed. Now, on the message board page, you'll see a list of existing messages posted by you and your team members. To add a new message, look for the New Message button, usually located at the top or side of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the message creation interface, where you can start drafting your new post. Here comes the creative part. You're now on the new message screen. Begin by typing a compelling title for your message. The title is essential as it gives your team members a clear idea of what your message is about at a glance. Once you've nailed the title, move on to the main body of your post. Write your message clearly and concisely. Feel free to include any necessary details, links, or even attachments that will help convey your point more effectively. Basecamp supports rich text formatting, so you can bold, italicize, or underline text to highlight key information. After you've drafted your message and are satisfied with its content, it's time to share it with your team. Locate the Post This Message button, which is usually at the bottom of the message editor. Clicking this button will publish your message to the project's message board, making it visible to all team members involved in the project. It's a good idea to double-check your message for any typos or errors before posting, but once you're ready, click away, and there you have it. You've successfully posted a message on Basecamp. This process is not only simple, but also a great way to keep everyone on the same page, share updates, and foster an environment of open communication within your team. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to post regularly and keep your team informed. In this quick tutorial, you've learned how to effectively post on Basecamp, ensuring that your projects run smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.